we have created this model of Delhi city as there is a high pollution in Delhi city. So this is the figure for the we have to figure was 30% of the pollution of Delhi. So this is the purifier air purifier for the and Adish
It will absorb all the pollution by car or purifier. Oh, yeah.
This one is the water purifier without a and these all working solar
विज्ञान आज ही करना है
working upon the solar panel. This is